Hey guys! So today I'm going to be showing you a technique that you can use at home to take off your makeup if you don't have makeup wipes. It helps you save time and also helps you save money if you don't have a budget to buy makeup wipes every month or every week, 2 weeks, depending on how you go through your makeup wipes. So if you want to learn about this technique, just keep on watching. So all you would need is a wet paper towel. I just wet mine. Put it in hot water. You don't want to use cold water. Make sure the water is not too hot because you don't want to burn yourself. It could be lukewarm. Once you dip it in the water, get it out of the water and squeeze it out. Squeeze out all the water and then just do this so you can take out all that hot air. But you don't want it to get cold fast. Once that is done, just get it and gently wipe off the makeup. When I'm done taking off my makeup, I like to scrub using the Secret Apricot Scrub. It just helps me get rid of the extra makeup in my pores and make sure that they're clean. So you just take a little bit like that. I like to mask once a week. Today I'm going to be using this mask that was gifted to me at work. I thought it was pretty cool. It's peppermint flavored, peppermint extract and vitamin C facial mask. So here we go. It feels so refreshing. So because this mask is infused with vitamin C and peppermint, it helps to energize your skin, brighten it, and keep it radiant and fresh looking. Okay, so it's been on for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take it off. My skin feels so fresh. And then I'm going to put the extra serum. I didn't do a good job at peeling this off. I'm gonna clean everything off with a warm paper towel. That's it, guys. My skin feels very fresh and soft. I feel like I just came from the spa. But really all you need is a paper towel and warm water and you can take your makeup off. You don't have to stress so much if you don't have makeup wipes. I can go months literally without having makeup wipes because I get so lazy going to the grocery store to pick up some makeup wipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section below, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.